Well, we're walking out to pick up the remains of Tim's Fun Cub out there. Didn't get it on camera. Wasn't planning on having any crashes. But I was flying at the same time, so I couldn't have filmed it anyway. And so far, Tim and I's the only ones out at the field.
At the beginning of the crash.
It's looking pretty good.
No, it's looking pretty bad.
Well, it depends on what standpoint. From my standpoint, it's looking pretty good.
That's only because you want to show everybody in the world.
How bad a pilot you are?
No, how bad I crashed.
We can probably blame that on the wind today, since it's so windy.
Wow. Hey, hold that. Since you ain't doing nothing.
I can hold that.
Tormenting about this crash.
Nose, canopy, landing gear, busted up plane, busted up pilot. At least you don't have a busted battery. That's the only good thing about it. I don't know, the wind's blowing so hard, you can't hardly stand up out here. I already crashed my Fun Cub today too. It's not flying.
You take pictures of it too.
No, nobody wants to see it.
Yeah, it's not as good as this crash, huh?
Nope. I was dropping another parachute guy and it got tangled in the tail, and all of a sudden it locked something up I couldn't control it.
Stuck it right in the ground, but didn't break it.
That's good. And just unplugged it.
We can rebuild it. We can rebuild it. Yes.
We have the technology.
Yes, we have. It ain't the first time we crashed.
Yep, you're right about that.
Alright, there you go.
Let it go there?
Yep. That's too high. Guess what? It's going down to the pond.
No, I got this one.
No, there it goes. Now let's just start dropping.
Yeah, it's gonna make it.
It might. It might make it to the tree line. Get it! Get it! Hurry up! Run! Right on Larry's.
Is it that close?
Yeah, it's right by Larry's trailer.
Whoa! It didn't actually make it to the field. Just a frog hair. That last tree.
Are you guys part of a radio club or something?
Yep.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we lease this ground and fly RC planes here.
Cool. We just happened to fly by and you seen the little flags up there.
We're out here every Sunday.
Are you really?
Yep.
Wow.
Not as much flying and not as many people out here as there usually are, just because.
Oh, wow.
That's going to be a good one. That's going to be a good
Well,
one.
look at all the bigger my antenna is on the 2.4 gigahertz.
Right to you, Jeff.
72 megahertz. You
Oh.
like that.
Did you see it?
Right there beside the table. Yeah, right beside the table.
It's gonna be down there by the toilet. Oh. Yep, we got a fix for that.
The magic wand.
Here comes Shorty. He's coming to get my crash. Whoa! Better be careful what I call him when he's got these big bamboo in hand.
Watch it blow up by the time I get there.
Got our parachute guy up in the tree a little bit here.
Uh-oh, Jeff.
Is it too long?
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh,
I didn't think I was going to be able to reach it for a minute.
that's how we get them out of the tree when we've got a piece of bamboo. It's probably about 30 feet long. There. Tim just brings it right to you.
This charger.
Guess not, you're making it back here. I was getting ready to run over there.
Well, still might.
I wanted to be a little closer to the crash.
Oh boy. That's not good.
Well, you're not saying oh shit, so it must not be too bad.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here you go. You're gonna get a crash. Really? Couldn't get closer?
No.
Give it up the elevator, it'll probably take off again.
Yeah, maybe. Probably roll it over.
Okay, now go forward. No, come down. You ain't no fun.
It gained about 15 foot when you went into the forward mode.
I know, that's why I keep trying to tell them. I wouldn't fly over there. I can't catch it on video way
I
over
actually
there.
want to go that far out, but I want. Is that what they're calling it?
Yep.
We was calling something.
Does sound neat when it switches over, don't it?
That tail coming up.
I'm back here. The wind's wanting to blow out, and that's full back. God, the wind's making it dip. Then all of a sudden it decides to go back. Wow.
Now go forward mode.
Right.
Sound good, doesn't it?
Nope.
I think that could have been the.
It popped that wing out just a little bit. Maybe that's all it was.
Either that or it was the center strap broke. I don't think so. I just pulled it apart there, where it was glued in the middle,
Yep.
where where the screws go up through.
Yep. It's unscrewed now.
Well, it's screwed, but it's unscrewed.
Lower, Larry, lower. Good, hey. Lower in closer. Whoops.
That was a little too close, huh?
Yeah, well, no, it wasn't close enough. I'm up here.
That's true.
Boxes if you need them and don't have them in time, you can just give me 3. If they don't make it for next weekend. If they don't, let me know and I'll get them out and charge them. But if they're not, I still got 3 in the box.
Whoops! I would have didn't hit it. I can't believe I actually hit it.
I guess I didn't make it up in the air in time. What?